Take it off.
Hey, touch and go from the left.
There's enough space to take out in front of you. I'm kidding, I'm not doing that.
I know you're not. Even if you did, it wouldn't bother me, but. You're predictable enough for me.
You're predictable. Thing's faster than I thought.
God, that's faster than my plane. What the hell? It's a Cub. It's supposed to be slow.
Time remaining 8
Keep it
minutes.
up.
Can I bought new batteries for it? For 200 resell for the suit. So I really probably should be running a hot dog the whole way.
Crazy guy. You know it's fast when a Cub is going faster than a racing plane is, so. Not quite scale there.
That's why you know these aren't real.
Yeah, exactly.
He also turns inside the loop.
I just noticed that. You don't need to cut. You're faster already, man.
There's more to separation.
I know. Messing with you.
You gotta get four.
Oh, that tiny little super Cub is messing with me. I thought it was way out there.
7.
No, it's right here.
Small and close.
It's right here.
I didn't think he was though. Like I'm gonna hit him. Oh shit.
All right.
Birds.
Touch and go from the left.
That's the tall one. Oh, it's that guy over there. Starting to look, I guess
I don't know where that little plane is.
he's starting to.
The little plane down? Oh, there it is. I hear it. I just don't want to do a knife edge pass through it.
It teaches you so much about weight, aerodynamics,
Time remaining 6
how air
minutes.
affects the aircraft its size. Like you can bank the wing, the nose starts dropping, and then you can carry it on through.
Yeah, it's a funny thing. Much better model builder than pilot. Well, you got to one that you can see because like when you fly this plane, you'll be building it.
Okay, touch and go from the left after Devon.
That part I got down. I'm on my fourth or fifth. What am I on, Devon? Fourth one? I don't know anymore. One got run through by somebody else. That was a few years ago. You're out there over the edge. That's way out there. I had all this stuff in storage for about 10 years, and I just recently finally got everything out.
Okay, another touch and go. No, maybe not. Too high. This little plane, I don't know where it's going to go and where it's coming from,
I
so
don't worry about it. I hit it. If I don't, I got it.
don't quite want to fly through it.
I won't.
Well, you can still use it, but
Shunk.
I accept I won't.
compared to the
And if it happens, well then I was a little bit wrong.
You were wrong. Okay, touch and go from the left.
Well, you can just do more things.
I'm flying over it.
That's fine.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Ooh, I think I'm going to come in. The battery doesn't sound very good. 3,000 instead of a 4,000. Landing from the left.
No, is it 8 channel though? 9.
Time remaining 4 minutes 46 seconds.
And like, what would you do with all that? I mean, I guess wheels up.
Wheels up, flaps down, bomb drop.
What's that thing? Bombay and Bombay.
I've done that. It's fun.
Devin.
Yeah, cool.
Great guy. If it wasn't you, I would have ducked.